A lightning storm here in Pampanga Guagua, and it's the lightnings are very quiet, but it is pretty visible in my perspective right now. Look at that. This is a very beautiful scenery of the thunderstorm. You could see the anvil shape, but I couldn't even see. The camera couldn't see it as it's too grainy, but I could see the anvil shape. It's actively producing thunder. It is very deep within the cloud. Yeah, this is a very beautiful scenery right now. Wow, just wow. Like yesterday, I have a separate thunderstorm from there, but now it's in here. What scenery! Look at that. Damn, pretty nice, and it is a very beautiful scenery of lightning flashes. Look at that. Damn. There we go.